Hello, good day. I will teach you another tutorial about these kinds of tools. In China, they call this a Branza CE electric iron. But in the Philippines, they are not calling this type of iron. This is a soldering iron, the correct way. So how to unbox this? Before I unbox, first you will identify the types of voltage. Mostly in the Philippines, they made for 220 volts. In Japan and in other countries, they made only 110 volts. So how to test these types of soldering iron? This is a 30 watts soldering iron. Okay, so this is the soldering holder or the holder. This is the soldering tip. Okay, we test this. First, plug this plug, and we need the soldering lead. Okay. First, I will plug this to test. Okay. To plug the soldering iron. So this is the soldering iron for testing. It must be heated. Okay. Okay. 30 watts soldering iron. This is not the This is not the electric iron. It's a soldering iron. Maybe testing of the soldering iron. Okay, before you test this soldering iron, this is the way how to test soldering iron.